More news coming in. We're staying with developments from Parliament. Big India bloc clamour to pick Mamata Banerjee as the chief also. TMC MP says based on performance, Didi must lead. Leading India bloc all about performance, says Kirti Azad. Remember, Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Sena also have rooted for Didi.
So, Mamata Banerjee says that she has the potential to lead the India bloc. Is there a real division in the India bloc is what we are questioning. Kirti Azad sir, senior leader of the TMC and MP, is right here with us. So how do you see this entire thing where Sharad Pawar also says, you know, she's a woman leader, she's firebrand and she has the potential about Bengal Chief Minister?
Yes, she is very capable of leading the alliance. She was the one who formed the alliance. And if you look at the strike rate of Congress, Narendra Modi, BJP versus the Congress, they have only 10% strike rate.
Right.
But if you look at the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, with Mamata Banerjee leading the Trinamool, it's 70%. Even in the by-elections, where BJP had 1 seat, now it's become a member of parliament.
Right.
And we had 5, she hit the BJP and Narendra Modi ji for a 6 out of West Bengal boundary. She has shown the capability as a chief minister. She's been there since 2011. Every time Mr. Modi comes and speaks all those explicits against her and the people of West Bengal, she manages to improve her tally and also the vote share. So we would request Mr. Modi to come more often to West Bengal so that he can get at least completely, totally finished from West Bengal.
But would you request the Congress party to give this proposal a serious thought? Because it's been in the space for a long while, and with the drubbing of Haryana and Maharashtra, the chorus amongst especially the ally partners, if a leader of a stature, Sharad Pawar, says that Ram Gopal Yadav is saying Kharge ji is the leader of the India bloc, you know, thereby questioning the ability of Rahul Gandhi.
It's basically, it's not the questioning, no questioning of any leader. The question is who's performing. The one who performs is in the team. The one who performs the best is the captain of the team.
But they say Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's performance was bumper.
But what happened after that? I mean, you had a bumper performance in Maharashtra, and what happened after that? Fizzled out. What happened in Haryana?
So you think there's no consistency about it?
No, that is, the question is, it's not against anybody. It's everybody talking about the firebrand leader who can give a challenge to Narendra Modi ji is Mamata Bandyopadhyay.
All right.
And hence she should be given the onus of being the captain of the Gathbandhan.
Thank you very much. That was Kirti Azad telling India Today that Mamata Banerjee has the potential to in fact lead the India bloc. On the other side, it's not about what Rahul Gandhi is doing or whether he has the potential, but here we're talking about performance, and the person who actually performs should be rewarded. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.
All right, Mosmi is joining us for more details on that. Mosmi, along expected lines, the TMC has been saying that Didi is only fit for this role and that she should be leading the alliance. And support coming in from different quarters as well, with the Uddhav Sena saying that she is the potent challenge to the BJP.
It's more about the chorus growing against the Congress party in terms of its leadership, and a question mark being put over the way the India bloc affairs are being handled by the Congress. And the recent spat being 2 issues, if you see, over the seating arrangement of Avadhesh Prasad and how, the front seats allotted to the Samajwadi Party were truncated from 2 to 1. Now, it is, in fact, the ball was in the court of the Lok Sabha Speaker, but the Samajwadi Party was miffed that the Congress didn't do enough to give a heads up to the Samajwadi Party to protest about it, and perhaps gave it to the government to play politics between the rank and file of the India bloc. And that's what has been happening. Because if you see, the other differences that has been growing is whether it's farmers versus Adani is what the Samajwadi Party is saying, that our issue is the farmers, and today also they gave the entire protest a skip. So on the other hand, the TMC is also been from day one not on the same page on the Adani issue. They say, of course, we are protesting and we do think that the Adani fact is an issue, but is it worth the disruptions and adjournments that don't give us a chance to raise state issues? And that's why, you know, the basic strategy factor is adding to the frustration of allies over whether Rahul Gandhi should have reached out to the leaders of the House of these parties, Akhilesh Yadav, or broken ice with the TMC leaders. So that's one big question. And now with added to that is the Maharashtra Assembly results. That is a huge burden on the Congress party. It also takes the wind out of the sails of the Lok Sabha performance of the Congress and the India bloc. That really means that whether the Save the Constitution issue or the caste census has fallen flat is what many in the alliance feel. And now they say that Mamata Banerjee is the one who's performing. So she is the one who should actually lead.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Maushami Singh getting in those details as far as that growing chorus within the India bloc for a leadership change here is concerned.